But here is a great competitor still to go. Marco LODADIO of Italy, third strongest in qualification and a bronze medalist at the World Championships in Doha last year. His first ever World Championship final, he came away with a medal.
And look at that press right off the top, the strength it takes to do that.
And this is a routine with a strong degree of difficulty if he gets the full reward from the difficulty panel. Rapid swinging, great movement, and beautifully into the iron cross to stall things. He just has to bring the legs up a fraction in that planche. There's the strength once more.
And style, too, how he lifts his head. Kind of look at the judges.
Did you spot that? Did you get it? Good. Oh, all sorts of things that are spotted. He spotted him.